Well, good morning, folks. Sandra Jenkins here. This is just a quick shout out for the workshop that is coming up at 12:15 today about unlocking high performance team cultures, which I've been advertising for a while. And so I just wanted to get in touch with you personally and say, can't wait for 12:15. Looking forward to seeing you. We're going to be talking about a number of things today, and I've just got these on a little list here. Why is developing high-performing teams so vital in today's economy? What's the problem? How do we solve it? How do we go about developing high-performing teams and what that means to develop them? And we're also looking at the afters for your business. What do you get benefits-wise? And I'm going to introduce you very briefly to my own program called The Edge, and also give you a takeaway, which is a team assessment questionnaire-based approach to help you to make the first steps with your own team for developing high performance. So there you have it. We'll see you at 12:15. Can't wait to see you. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.